What's up guys, Justin here of Tech, and OPPO's latest smartphones under the Reno lineup have finally landed in the Philippines. The Reno5 series, and one of them is this OPPO Reno5 5G. This one packs a 6.43-inch OLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, quad-rear cameras, and a 4,300 mAh battery with support for Super VOOC 2.0 65 watts fast charging. So now without further ado, let's see first what's inside the box. So OPPO sent us this huge holographic box with a snap and share text on it, together with a hashtag #PictureLifeTogether. Opening the box, we're greeted by a lot of things. First is this super eye-catching artwork, then we have here a phone ring light, 2 t-shirts in black and white colors, 2 cool black tote bags, and of course the Reno5 5G box. We're excited to check it out. Let's remove the sleeve first, then lifting up the lid there's this small box that contains the SIM ejector tool, the manuals, and a free jelly case. Underneath that is the phone itself. Let's set it aside first. Then below that is the USB Type-C cable, a pair of earphones, and the charger. Starting at the back, you'll find the protruding quad camera module and the OPPO branding. The OPPO Reno5 is available in 3 colors. There's the Aurora Blue, Moon Knight Black, and Starry Black, which is the one we have. And as we've seen, OPPO also included a clear case in the package so you can protect it right out of the box. Form factor-wise, the Reno5 feels really nice in the hands. It's made out of a polycarbonate material and it has a glossy finish on it, so expect some fingerprint smudges everywhere. Thankfully, it's thin and light at 180 grams, and it's also relatively narrow so you won't have issues gripping it. Although its tall frame might require you to navigate the UI with 2 hands. On the left, we have the volume buttons. They're made of plastic but they're firm and clicky. They're also easy to reach as it's positioned near the middle of the frame. On the right, we have the power button, and up top there's the secondary microphone. Down at the bottom, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, thank you, the main microphone, the USB-C port, and a loudspeaker. Focusing on its display, this phone features an immersive 6.43-inch screen with full HD plus resolution and a pixel density of 410 pixels per inch. It's a crisp and vibrant display with thin bezels and the usual hole punch on the upper left for the 32-megapixel selfie shooter. We like that it uses an OLED panel so we can expect punchy colors and deep blacks. This OPPO Reno5 5G is also equipped with a 90Hz refresh rate so you can enjoy smooth animations and transitions. Then again, it gives you the option to change it to 60Hz in case you want to save more battery life. Now let's move on to cameras. The Reno5 has a quad camera setup consisting of a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Take a look at some sample shots we got so far. Of course, like usual, we'll go more in-depth in our full review soon, so stay tuned. Under the hood, the Reno5 is powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G octa-core CPU, an Adreno 620 GPU, 8 or 12GB of RAM, and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. Software-wise, it runs on ColorOS 11.1 that's based on Android 11, and as for battery, it has a 4,300 mAh capacity with support for Super VOOC 2.0 65 watts fast charging. Now this OPPO Reno5 5G will soon launch in the Philippines, so the price and availability are yet to be announced. But for sure, we'll update you guys in our full review soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's it for now guys. What can you say about this OPPO Reno5 5G? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit gigatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.